So, you've built a course in Totara Learn and you're ready to go, right? Well, maybe not. In the real world, we often want our learners to take more than one course. We want to provide pathways through our learning, which can be personalised and adapted to individual learners. And that's where programs come in. A program is a way to sequence courses, to guide your learners on a path through related courses. Let's take the example of ABC Company, who want to offer onboarding training through their Totara Learn platform. New starter number 1, let's call him Tom, starts work in the marketing department. He needs a company overview, some training on health and safety, and the basics of information security. He also needs some training on graphics editing, which is given to everyone who works in marketing. New starter number 2, we'll call her Susie, also needs a company overview, health and safety, and basic information security training. But Susie works in finance and handles customer payment details, so she also needs training in advanced data protection. So, what to do? Well, we could add all of this learning to 2 different courses, one for Susie and one for Tom. But much of the information is the same, and this will be difficult to maintain for all new starters. Instead, we could build each course once, in a modular style. A course for the company overview, a course for health and safety, and so on. Then we'll create a program for each pathway that is essentially a container for the courses a learner needs to take. A program takes courses and structures them into a larger whole. It doesn't duplicate the course, it just references the course. So even though Tom and Susie are taking different programs, they are taking exactly the same health and safety course. In a program, you can decide which courses learners must do, which are optional, which courses must be completed before others, or offer learners a choice of which courses they want to take. So where do certifications come in? Certifications are like programs, but they run out after a period of time, meaning the learner has to recertify. This is commonly used for compliance courses. Let's use the example of Jeff, who is a fire warden. When he qualified a few years ago, he went through a full certification program. Since then, each year he is prompted by the system to recertify. He doesn't have to do all of the courses again, just a set recertification path. That gives him his certification for another year and means he's up to date on the key skills he needs to keep himself and his colleagues safe. So, what do you need to remember about programs and certifications? They are a sequence of courses with a set or flexible path through them. They use existing courses in your course catalogue, allowing the same course to be used in multiple programs. And certifications are programs that expire and allow you to determine a recertification path and set a time limit for doing this. Simple.